everybody, it's Santos here. Let me show you how you can browse through a digital owner's manual from within your car. We'll start with your iDrive home screen. Click on Car, then click on Owner's Manual. You'll see from here there are actually various ways for you to find information, but let me first highlight the operating tips, which actually features quite a few videos available for you to get information on your car. Very useful. But in addition to these videos, let me show you some other ways to browse for information on your digital owner's manual. Let's check out this keyword search. It actually allows us to key in some different things here. We can find a picture search where we can pick and choose our topics. Quick reference guide where we can actually pick and choose, again, different categories of help. And finally, there's a topics area where we can navigate through to find some information. There you have it. There's your digital owner's manual. Thank you for watching our video today. Please submit any comments or questions below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'd love to see you here at our dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.